songs है, but इतने नहीं है. So I also felt like just the line, you know, the lyrics have been done by Kausar ji. Kausar Munir has done the lyrics of all our songs, and I think she's done such a phenomenal job. जा रांझन तू भी क्या याद करेगा जा हीर ने तेनू छोड़ दिया is just, that line just hits differently. So I personally just love that song. एक और गाना है इस फिल्म का जो एक्चुअली अभी नहीं आया है, आप फिल्म में देखेंगे. There is a reason we could actually put the song out, and you will watch it in the film. That was the first song that we made. मेरे ख्याल से, okay, someone is saying Kritsu Jadoo is my favorite one. You just killed it. Thank you. I love Jadoo. I think it's such a romantic song, and it's got a vibe. And you know, when you watch the film, it beautifully blends between the chemistry of Soumya and Dhruv, and then Shelly and Dhruv, and both the sisters have very different chemistry. और वो energy भी थोड़ी अलग है उनकी. So yeah, I'm glad you guys like it. It's just released yesterday, so I hope you have seen it, you've listened to it. It's a song that my team absolutely loves. Like my makeup artist Adrian especially, even my stylist Sukriti is constantly like, can you play Jadoo? Can you play Jadoo? So हम लोग हमेशा start Jadoo से करते हैं. Coming back to जो मैं गाना हम लोगों ने जो पहली बार बनाया था, पहला गाना जो बना था is Maya. It is a beautiful track. For me, I think it is the soul of the film. Yeah, soul of the film. So when we started creating music, I think the first one that we wanted to create was the soul of the film, which is you know, it plays as a background track in the film at many points. It's actually a mother-daughter song. So that song is just very special. I just feel like when we got that song right, and we got it very fast, then we were just like, acha theek hai. Now we know what the film feels like. So yeah, that song I would like dedicate it to my mom and all the moms out there. I hope you love the song once you watch the film. The film is coming out tomorrow. It is going to launch on Netflix at 12:30 in the morning, like 12:30 p.m. So रात को मत जाना नहीं है. I'm sorry, but कल 12:30 बजे. Asif is saying, let's get ready for the screening. Yes, I'm waiting for you, Asif. There's still like half an hour to go, and today I'm going to be on time because I'm at home and outside and already ready, as you can see. All thanks to my Insta family, because I had to chat with them. But yeah, that was the conversation about music. Maya is also one of my favorite tracks, and it's something that we'll probably put out after the film comes out, but I hope you guys like it. Which is your favorite song actually? Which one is the one that you're constantly hearing? I think I was hearing Ranjan constantly, and now I'm hearing Jadoo again because it just came out. I've been also seeing a lot of reels on Ranjan, on Akhiyan. And I just realized, by the way, Akhiyan, this year, I think this year is all about eyes for me when it comes to music, because I've had Lal Pili Akhiyan, then I've had Akhiyan Gulab, then I've had Naina, and now I've had Akhiyan De Kohl. So yeah, there's been a lot about Akhiyan. I think it's all about the eyes. Arfa, please say my name. I did. Hi Arfa. Arfa is a nice name. Someone is saying Ranjan and Jadoo are my favorites. So how did you like the trailer? What did you feel about the trailer? It's very different for me, for anything that I have done. I'm also playing a double role for the first time. It's twin sisters who don't like each other and who have issues. And I used to actually have a great time when I was playing Shelly. I don't know who you liked, आज मैंने एक्चुअली पोल किया था अपने स्टोरी पे, who's more your vibe, सौम्या और शैली. 72% have said Soumya and 28% have said Shelly. Wow, I actually thought the other way around. I don't know if I'm more Soumya or Shelly. I don't know. I think I'm a mix of both. I'm definitely not fully Soumya and I'm also not fully Shelly. I think Shelly is also very gutsy. But I must say I had a lot of fun playing Shelly. I really had a lot of fun playing Shelly. I think the fact that Shelly is, उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, morally right, wrong, she doesn't care, she's unapologetic, she's that slightly, what should I say, the bitchy sister. I'm not like that in life, so you know, when you play something which you're not on screen, you get to do something different and you enjoy it. And when I used to play Shelly, I had this swag in my walk. और जब मैं सेट पे आती थी तो एक्चुअली सेट का माहौल भी बहुत पार्टी वाला हो जाता था. पीपल वर लाइक रियली हैविंग अ ब्लास्ट एंड दे वर हैप्पी एंड दे वर गिगलिंग एंड दे वर क्रैकिंग जोक्स. एंड व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू बिकम सौम्या, पीपल वुड बी लाइक सीरियस, क्वाइट, सौम्य. सो या, एज कैरेक्टर्स आपकी एनर्जी जो है वो पूरे सेट को अफेक्ट करती है कहीं ना कहीं. सीन्स की एनर्जी सेट को अफेक्ट करती है. सो या, बट I had a great time playing Shelly. I would actually both Soumya and Shelly have a lot of shades, and I actually want to ask you guys the same question once the film releases and you've watched the film, that who is more your vibe, Soumya or Shelly? Let's see if your answer remains the same or it changes. But yeah, I love both actually, so I hope you love both. Okay, I think I have only been talking because you guys are only saying hi and love you. Can you also ask me questions? Are there any questions that you want to ask? या मैं जाऊँ? See, love you. Hi. How are you, Sifra? I'm TK. I miss Sifra. Yeah. From absolutely no emotions to a lot of emotions in Dopatti. It's been a journey, it's been a shift. But I think after doing Teri Baaton Mein, which was like a romantic comedy, light character, playing a robot that didn't really have emotions, and then Crew, which was more fun. Why are there balloons here? Okay, this is weird. Yeah, so Crew, which was more fun and light again. I think I was somewhere craving to do something slightly more intense. So that I automatically got attracted to Dopatti. And what is amazing is that I really wanted to start producing. I wanted to get more involved in a script, creatively, more than just being an actor. And I wanted to do it for a film that I really feel very strongly for emotionally, and also for something that the film says. So while yes, Dopatti में बहुत twist turns हैं, bitchiness है, sibling rivalry है, धोखा है, प्यार है, बहुत कुछ है, but उसके अलावा जो फिल्म कहती है end में, I think that is the main reason why Kanika and I made the film, and that is the main reason why I wanted to produce this as my first. So I hope what we're trying to say with this film also reaches all of you and makes you feel something. Again I start talking. आप लोग कोई question ही नहीं पूछ रहे हो? How cute are you guys? You're only giving me hearts. Soumya is my vibe, says Kriti's admirer. Okay then, you were among the 72% who liked Soumya. No, I get it. Ashish Daryani likes Shelly. Any more? Trailer is insane. Thank you. I'm having my fingers crossed. Toes are also crossed. I hope you guys love the film. It really has, like, everyone's really worked hard. It's not an easy film. It's not an easy film to shoot. It's not an easy film to portray. But it's engaging, it's different. And of course, Kajol ma'am playing a cop for the first time, our very own lady Singham, I would say. I think she's just fabulous. I'm so glad that I got to work with her again after like 8 years in a film like this, which is so away from what we did last time. And I feel like her presence and her voice and her eyes add so much of gravity to every scene. She's just amazing. You're gonna have a lot of fun watching her. Okay.